Mastering English phrases. Be on the back foot. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, be on the back foot. It's a phrase you might come across in everyday conversations, books, or even in the news. So, if you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it properly, you're in the right place. Let's get started and unravel the mystery behind this phrase together. Be on the back foot is an idiom that originally comes from sports, particularly cricket and boxing, where it refers to a position where a player is leaning back on their back foot, usually indicating a defensive or less advantageous position. However, when used in everyday language, this phrase takes on a metaphorical meaning. It describes a situation where someone is at a disadvantage, facing difficulties, or reacting to situations rather than controlling them. It's like being one step behind, trying to catch up or defend yourself against challenges. To truly understand how "be on the back foot" is used, let's look at some examples. 1. In a debate, after the surprising question from the audience, the politician was on the back foot, struggling to give a convincing answer. 2. In business, the sudden launch of a rival's innovative product put the company on the back foot, forcing them to rethink their strategy. 3. Personal life. Ever since the argument, John has been on the back foot, trying to make amends with his partner. These examples show that being on the back foot can happen in various contexts, emphasizing a position of disadvantage or the need to respond to unexpected challenges. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it correctly is another. Here are some tips. Use it to describe a situation or feeling of being at a disadvantage or facing difficulties. It's often used in past tense, was on the back foot. To describe a previous state, and present continuous is being on the back foot, to describe an ongoing situation. This phrase fits well in informal conversations and formal writing, making it versatile for various contexts. Congratulations! You now know what "be on the back foot" means and how to use it effectively in your conversations and writing. It's a powerful phrase that adds depth to your descriptions of challenging situations. We hope this video has been informative and helpful for your English language learning journey. Remember, understanding and using idioms like "be on the back foot" can really show off your proficiency in English. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.